The moment you finish some course, you'll be waiting to get into a company, earn your first salary, get that first thing that you want to buy in your life from your own money, right? So from School of Management, even today, there are a lot of students from Presidency University getting placed in different companies. So we have a kind of a setup where we have made them sit as if they are going to get into the placement cell and probably get into the first interview of their life and all that, and making them feel that they have actually been selected and all that. And this whole video is going to be about the celebration of what they have. And we have many of us here from the School of Management. Hi everyone. Hi, loudly. Guys, be happy that you're selected, right? First of all, the whole selection process and the whole interview process should have been nice and all that. And I am here to probably go ahead and ask you of all that. So from School of Management, you've selected into KPMG, Deloitte, right? So there are two companies that we'll be covering in this video, Deloitte and KPMG, right? So Deloitte, so what's your name and how did you convince the HR to give you the job?
My name is Imona Bera. I have done my graduation from Calcutta University, and after that, as we know, due to the pandemic, we had this online throughout the thing, so even the interviews were completely online. So maybe that was a little bit advantageous to us at the same time, but I think it was pretty okay for me, the HR interview. Then there were two more rounds of interviews, that is the tech round and the final round. The technical round was also pretty okay for me. The final was a bit difficult, but I think I managed to crack it, so I'm happy.
Fantastic. But also tell us how was the preparation to get into that online? Of course, it would have been with all the stages that's going to come into you. But that process of meeting the person, meeting that HR round to discuss your salary. So that process, where did you start from? Which semester did you start preparing from?
Personally, I think I'm pretty much self-disciplined. That is why I had focused. But I think this university had created some classes for us which were super helpful. And there were some faculty like Kaustav sir, I would like to mention him. He did all the unthinkable things for us. Like he managed to make us interact with the past people who got placed from Presidency University into Deloitte. So I think that was super helpful. We got to know the insiders, the tricks to get into it.
So how much of the first salary's part is going to Kaustav sir? No answer for that.
No. Surely I will give a hefty thing to like.
So sweet. Well, who will say that? I will not say that. But she is so decent and disciplined to say that. Fantastic. What's your name?
My name is Charu Saraf.
Yes, Charu. So tell us which company did you get placed and how was that process?
Okay, so I got placed in Deloitte, and the process was pretty, what you can say, very satisfying, very. I don't have literally words because the panelists were very great. I mean, it's not like you are feeling uncomfortable. They would make you like very comfortable, and so it was very smooth. And there, I won't say I prepared very much for it, because one day we got to know that the next day was the interview. And I was not sure that I would crack the interview after giving the written test. But still, again, as my friend already mentioned, the credit goes to Kaustav sir, because
again one share is getting.
Yes, sir. Because he was the one who actually made some videos on questions, like what type of questions can be asked. And because of that, the technical round was very smooth for me. I mean, I was very quick while giving the answers, and the panelist was really impressed. He was like, good. So technical round was pretty good, and final and the HR was also good. So
fantastic. How back home? What was the reaction of the parents? How happy they were?
That was like, they were so happy. Like in 15 minutes, when I was just about. I was just processing that I got selected. They called 15 of the relatives, and they just told everyone about it. Like, that's everyone. I'm like, I just got selected. Just let me get the offer letter or something, and everybody knew. Before I could call anyone, my friends even, they were like, oh, congratulations, you got into Deloitte. So that was the thing.
That is what family is all about, right? That's what family is all about. So fantastic. I'm sure in the first salary, none of the 1 single rupee is going to come to her. It's going to go for that 15 people who were really happy for her getting placed. And of course, we keep move on, and we have Navya here, who I should be mentioning about Navya. She is a very active student in terms of any club activities that we keep organizing. She actually looks decent in the video, but she's very, very sportive. She's very active. She's very energetic. Navya, You convinced the HR. My God, I am shocked.
It was very easy.
There you go. Okay. How was that process, Navya?
Actually, it got me nightmares actually.
Okay.
I was selected for the online assessment after GD. Then night and all, I was not sleeping actually
Right.
because I was waiting for the results. The results was delayed. Then all my friends, everyone were like, "Wait, you'll get the call. You'll get the call. Don't worry." I was like, "No, it's done. It's done." I was very, very, very tense. Then later, when I got the results that only 6 members got selected, I was one of them. I was very happy. In fact, my mom literally cried because I was selected. And then after that, immediately we got the call for the technical round. And after that, HR, it was literally very, very, very easy. And I don't know, I can't even express. It
So
was
sweet.
so happy.
No, I can see that in your eyes. And please tell us your mom's name and what did she actually first do when she got to know that you selected, or rather, what was the first dish that got prepared at home?
We got the results after 3 days, like Saturday. Then we got the result on Monday. When I first saw it in the superset, it was mentioned as offered. I was literally, I don't know what to say. I was shocked. Okay, I got selected. I took a moment, I went to my mom and I told that I got selected. My mom was very happy. She took my phone, she took her phone, she called all the relatives, she called my father, she told everyone. Only my mother was there with me that time. So she called everyone. She called my brothers, all who are there in the whole world. She called everyone and she told.
So sweet. And what's her name? And what was the first dish that came to your plate that day in celebration?
My favorite thing is puri. So she made it. She made all my favorite dishes from that day till now. She's making all this.
It's
And
still
my-
continuing.
Yeah. And my mom name is Mala. She is very supportive.
Okay. So Navya also has been selected by KPMG, but she didn't tell me one secret. What did she tell to the HR that she got selected? And the reason I'm asking this is because she's very jovial, she's very, very energetic, very sometimes being naughty as well, because that is what a whole student. She's a complete package. Anything you have to say on the video? What did you tell to the HR?
No, I didn't tell anything to HR. HR,
That's why you got selected.
no. She just heard what I told because the questions I answered, I was very confident. She was impressed.
Nice. So as I was mentioning, she is a complete package for a student who can be naughty, who can be studious, who will also be making their parents proud. And she's got a good package from KPMG, right?
Yes.
There we go. We'll not mention it. After the video, I'll ask her how much is the package. Right. What's your name?
Hello sir, I'm Kavya.
Hi Kavya. So which company and what was your process of getting into the company?
Yeah, I got into KPMG. First was aptitude and HR, then technical, then HR. So it was nice. I was tense, then later it was normal.
Okay. So what help did we offer from President's University for you to prepare for this?
Yeah, all my faculty from initial days only. It was virtual mode, so it helped me to ace the interview. Then the interviewer didn't look like a stranger. They were like my lecturers only. They made us so comfortable, and that was my first interview. So they asked me. They told me it was don't worry. So all my lecturers are super supportive. The PD classes, they trained me. The HR rounds, the first only I was prepared for all the questions by my university. So it helped me for that.
No, actually, it is so lovely that she's telling is so new and so fresh, because she said the HR person from the company didn't look like a stranger. I mean, that itself gives so much confidence. I'm wondering, like, why was that training I didn't get those trainings and all that, because every time we see anybody interviewing us, we feel it's a stranger who's asking us questions, and we panic a lot. But that panic was taken off from you, right?
Yes, sir. Yes. That virtual mode of classroom teaching made me actually easy to ace the interview.
Oh, fantastic, sir, fantastic. So you're also from KPMG, getting selected to KPMG, right? Okay. So what was the atmosphere at home then? Of course.
Yeah, my parents are even more happier than me, and they celebrated my job. So I'm waiting for the offering letter.
There we go. She's waiting for it, and she's waiting to get into the company. And also, we have the guys also sitting behind, and they'll be wondering, like, okay, are only girls been getting spoken to or getting on the video? But no, guys are also around here. Hi, what's your name?
Vishwas,
Which company did you get selected?
Deloitte.
So okay, fantastic. So Vishwas, the process, of course, should have been a very, very preparatory mode. But I want to know from which portion or which selection, if anybody watching this video, probably your juniors, should start preparing from.
Actually, it was, we were very confused because just before the exams we had interview. But great support from the faculty. Like KK sir organized for training session. Like whatever will be done, what we were taught to us, like starting from our UG, then PG, everything related to job. And hats off to our Kaustav sir. Like he arranged for meeting with our seniors who have got placed in Deloitte. So because like from there we get to know like what they expect from us and how we should perform and all. Like
And also, of course, at home they will be really overwhelmed with all this that's happened. But again, I just want to know what is gonna go in the mode of preparation, because of course you've got selected. Of course, now the road ahead is a long road. What are you looking forward to from Deloitte?
yeah, actually career development was very good. I have heard about it. My friends and seniors are also there, so I'm very happy for that. We can achieve a good career from Deloitte.
Oh, fantastic, fantastic. It's not just the company who's offering them, but there is also a career growth in the company. That is more important. And yes, we have Syed here. Syed, you look the smartest of the lot, man. Yeah, really.
Thanks.
Thank you. Right. Is it because of your smartest you cracked it? No?
No. They were my teachers that helped me, especially Prachi ma'am. She used to teach me from Presidency College in my BCom days.
Okay.
A few topics that she had taught me back then came into play in my interview and technical round. So a credit goes to Prachi ma'am also, along with Kaustav sir.
How much credit, Macha? That you didn't tell.
Every credit that she wants to take, that she deserves it. Wherever I am today, it's because of those faculties.
So nice. And also back home, how is it? Because of course this is going to be a dream come true, right? I mean, even if it's a beginning, it's a long way ahead. But for that beginning, how happy they were?
To be honest, first I had no idea that I got selected. There was a mail that was drafted and there were 6 names in that and my name was not in that.
Oh really?
Then I was like, I don't know why didn't I crack the aptitude, and then I got a call around after 2 hours that even you have been selected, Syed, and are you prepared to give an interview today? So I was like, okay, I'll give my interview today.
Did you ask them why did you miss out my name on the mail?
I don't know. It was good that I was not nervous at that time. I was eager to go to that technical round instead of being nervous. So it was very beautiful. Then as everyone got to know that I've got selected, I was sleeping at that time and my cousin called and they were like, he got selected and all, and they woke me up and they told me, instead of me telling them, they told me that I got selected.
So sweet, so sweet. See, destiny, if it is there, it will happen. So that is the biggest example of it all. So it's fantastic. And moving forward, also we do have Rohil, right? Hi, Rohil. How are you?
Hi sir, I'm good. What about you?
Doing good, Rohil. And I should really be not focusing on that. My idea is all, my eyes is all on his status there. Fantastic. But it shows a lovely navigation. The navigation is nice because his life has got navigated in a nice way, right?
They say, right, life's an adventure, why not be the explorer? So this is one of the phase of me getting to Deloitte, is another phase of my adventure.
Oh, fantastic. So it was, according to you, getting to Deloitte was a fantastic adventure, right? How was it?
Obviously, if there's any adventure, you have people backing up with you. Right. And my area of improvement was aptitude. Right. So I always lagged in that comparatively. Okay. So ever since the first semester, there was Kaustav sir always brushing up with the basics, aptitude skills, which was about 5th and 6th grade. That is where we lag in. Okay. So we brushed up throughout the first year, that is first and second semester, even the third semester. All these aspects helped me gain the confidence in that area, because given the fact that it was Deloitte. Correct. So obviously the rounds are going to be quite stringent. So it gained me confidence, and also in addition to that, it was PD, personal development skills, and we had to brush up. Like for a simple question, tell me about yourself. Correct. We often think that it's a simple question, but then when we try to frame it, that is when the real picture comes in.
True. Like for example, if I ask what's the meaning of Rohil's name?
It's about ascension, rising from the below.
Right. So he's prepared. That is why he's got selected in Deloitte. What happened back home, Rohil?
Back home, I informed my dad, like, Arey, you got selected.
That's the doubt, yeah.
Yeah, that was the doubt. Then immediately, like, wow, that's nice. Let's party tonight. Call all your friends home. And it was a really jovial.
I really want to know your dad's name now.
His name is Girish Kumar.
Oh, fantastic. Tell Girish uncle to not change the entire life. Let him be your best friend, as always. Is he your best friend?
We ride together. He's almost like a great buddy to me.
Oh,
Yeah.
Fantastic. So please tell us a little bit of more because see again all this helps getting into a good life structure, right? Because dad being a best friend, I mean, what's going to take away from that, right? So that's the reason why his life is so adventurous. So tell us the craziest of a little bit of adventure that you always do with your dad, probably.
We both are into motorcycle group. He is the marshal. He is a committee member of the motorcycle group.
Right.
So due to him, I was inspired. So just 2 days that very weekend. I mean, the final round was conducted on Thursday.
Okay.
So the very previous Saturday, Sunday, we had been to Sakleshpur. So there was an extreme terrain off-roading.
Right.
So there were leeches on my foot, 5 to 6 leeches. It was nice dad and son time. It was a good experience, and it's one of the many adventures that we all have. Yeah.
And dad being your friend along with you, no leech can stop you. That applies to the life also. Fantastic, Rohil. Kind of envy you on that, but I'll take Girish uncle's number.
Sure, definitely. Yeah.
I'll join the group as well. Right. Yes. What's your name? Hi.
My name is Anjana Venus.
Yes, Anjana, how are you and how happy you are actually, in Deloitte, right?
Yeah, I'm in Deloitte. I'm very happy, extremely happy, and always thankful to Presidency University for always supporting me. All the faculty members as well, especially Kaustav sir. There's many faculties, all the finance faculties, they've always helped me and always backed me up. So yeah, huge thanks to Presidency University.
Fantastic. And also, kind of concluding this all, what do you actually feel? Where should the juniors start preparing from for the whole thing under Presidency University's guidance?
I feel that it's always better to start as early as possible, because if you start in the first semester itself, you do get training from Kaustav sir on aptitude. So always start from that and never miss his classes. People may take it like, lightly, but never take it lightly. Always attend Kaustav sir's classes. And then there's PD classes as well. So Sujit sir and Himanshu sir, they always help to build that personality that we need. So always keep rocking those classes, and then you will definitely able to crack it. And talking about the technical side, always have that basics of accounting, and whatever stream or domain that they're going to take, always they should be, have that logic about it from the basics. So start preparing from first sem, and definitely they can.
Fantastic. That is what the whole of Presidency University tells us, that start early as possible. It doesn't mean that you don't have to start a little late and lag behind. Start early as possible. So everybody is mentioned about Kaustup sir here. Fantastic. So I'm sure Kaustup sir, from every one of them will be getting a big share. They have committed in the video. Kaustup sir committed. Navya?
Yeah.
It's priceless. That's what Rohil says. It's priceless. So that's a nice way to put it across. I will not give you any money, Kaustup sir. It's priceless. You are happy. No, fantastic, guys. All the best to you, and keep rocking, and make sure you become a very good example for people who are actually following you, your juniors especially, like how you've got your seniors supporting you and guiding you through. I'm sure you guys will be guiding you through. So for putting you on the video, how much is Srinidhi ma'am going to get, and how much I am going to get out of your salaries? No speech. We end the video right there. Again, they say it is priceless. Okay. It's all censored out.